Hello guys, welcome back to Kitchen Adventures with Naomi. I'm your host, Naomi. Today we're just going to do something quick, easy for those that have events or holidays, or if it's game day like it is for me today, Chattanooga FC. So it's game day, you want to have finger foods, something fun, easy to make. Today, it's jalapeno poppers. Bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. So I'm just taking jalapenos, cream cheese, a little bit of cheddar cheese, garlic, salt, pepper, and bacon. So I washed my peppers. My cream cheese, 8 ounces, is softening. So I want to chop off the top of the pepper. And I'm going to actually be using half a pepper each. Okay, just so you guys know, do not rub your eyes really anywhere on your face. Do not go to the bathroom without thoroughly washing your hands when dealing with jalapenos. Okay? Okay. And the more of the seeds and the guts that you cut out of the pepper, the less spicy it will be. So I just kind of sliced out the center of it and then just kind of scrape it out. You know, for me, I don't mind a seed or two, because you know some like it hot. Yeah, so you just kind of cut it here. I'm using this little knife. You don't want a big knife, because this is more precision cutting. So a big knife isn't gonna work very well. So if you have a little paring knife or something like that, that's perfect. So see, that's what you want to do. I have 1 pound of jalapenos, and I'm going to be using 8 ounces of cream cheese and around 6 ounces, handful, whatever, of cheddar, and then just a little bit of garlic powder and salt and pepper. I may see if I have ranch seasoning packet of ranch. If not, maybe I'll just throw in a little bit of ranch dressing, because that just, you know, tastes good, right? I mean, who doesn't like ranch dressing? Well, I'm sure a lot of people don't like. So if you don't like ranch dressing, don't add that. But yeah, so I have a friend who makes amazing jalapeno poppers. I'm looking at you, Merle. Well, and Tammy too. But they use a pre-mix cream cheese, you know, the kind that comes in the little tub that has like sour cream and chive and that kind of stuff. They use that. That way it's already softened, it's already got the flavors and all that in there. And so that, yeah, totally use it. If you want to do that, do it. I'm just using what I have here in my house. And I don't have a tub of that, but I do have just the regular bricks of cream cheese. Are they called bricks? I don't know. That's what I'm calling them, okay? Okay. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So to do all of these, it's gonna take a minute. I'm not gonna bore y'all with the process. So I'm gonna stop it and come back when it's done. Okay. Okay, see you. Okay. Whew. That was crazy. So I have all these jalapenos that are ready to get stuffed with cream cheese. So I've got my cream cheese softened here in the bowl. I didn't have any ranch packets, seasoning packets, so I'm just taking ranch dressing, pouring, I don't know, 2.5 squirts. So I don't have a recipe for this. I'll try to come up with an ish recipe. This is how I usually cook, guys. Okay, so then I'll just sprinkle some garlic. I don't know. 2 teaspoons, a tablespoon maybe. A couple of twists of garlic. I want it to have good flavor, but not too much. You gotta get your salt and pepper. Okay. I made a mess of that one. Okay, so then you just kind of want to, best as you can, just kind of stir it all up. So once I get this all stirred in, then I'll add some cheese. So give me just a second because this might take a minute. Okay, so I've got it incorporated nice. Let me just taste it, make sure it tastes okay. Ooh, that's good. Okay. So then, that's really good. Okay, so then I'm just gonna take, we'll call this 1/2 cup of cheddar. This is what I have in my refrigerator right now. It's the Mexican style cheese blend from Costco. You don't have to use this cheese. I mean, you don't even have to add cheese, but I mean, come on. Bacon, cheese, cream cheese, jalapenos. It just sounds like a really, really good combination to me. But, you know, whatever works for you and your taste. So then you just kind of mix that in. Oh, the oven, I don't know if I said this, but the oven is preheating to 425. I've got a baking sheet with parchment paper because when I just cook regular bacon, I cook it on parchment paper because that seems to just work better for crisping the bacon and, you know, all that kind of good jazz. Okay, so now kind of looks like marshmallow fluff, but it is not. So all you're gonna do, okay, so take your 1/2 of your jalapeno and just kind of fill your boat. Not row your boat, fill your boat. It's just like that. So you do it for all of them, and then you're gonna wrap them with bacon. So this one's a little bit flatter. Can you see? Doesn't really have much, but we're still gonna, and you can put as much or as little. I'm just kind of being really messy about this one. Okay. So yeah, just kind of like that. So I'm gonna put you on pause again because I'm sure you don't want to sit here and watch me fill all of these up. So when it's time for bacon, I'll turn you back in. Okay, so I have all my little jalapeno boats. That's what I'm gonna call them right now. And then I cut my bacon in half because I want to make sure that I have enough bacon for all of these. So if it ends up I have enough, I'm just gonna double wrap them. So what you're gonna do is just take it and wrap it like that. And then put this flat part down on the bottom. If you have toothpicks, use those. I don't. So this is how I'm gonna do it. And I think it's gonna be great. And I can't wait. I'm excited. Gonna have some yummy game time food. Go CFC, Chattanooga. So yeah, so I'm gonna put these all on here and then pop them in the oven. I'm gonna start with I'm gonna start with 25 minutes. Kind of keep an eye on it because you want to make sure that the bacon is nice and crispy. So this one's a little bit fatter, so he's gonna get 2 pieces of bacon right off the bat because I can tell he needs to be double baconed. Okay, but these little ones, like this little one, this baby one, he only needs one half piece. So it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be on there. Because it's gonna be, I mean, and they're not really gonna grow. I mean, you know how bacon cooks. Bacon kind of ends up shrinking. It's hot. So you can place them kind of close together, and that's fine. You don't really want to place them like all up on each other, all up in each other's business, because you want to make sure that they can cook. But you don't have to like space them an inch or 2 apart. Know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Okay, this is another one that's gonna get double wrapped. And if I have extra bacon, you know what? I may just cook some up for myself and just have some bacon, because bacon's amazing. So, anyway, okay, so, I mean, you can see this is going fairly quickly. So I'm just gonna finish doing this real quick and then pop them in the oven for about 25 minutes to start with, and we'll kind of go from there, make sure they're getting nice and crispy. And yeah, so we'll see you guys when it's ready. Okay, so I just pulled these out of the oven, and ooh, don't they look amazing? Well, technically I pulled them out like a minute ago. So I cooked them for about 25 minutes. They flattened out a little bit more than I thought they would, but who cares if they taste good? Yes. Yeah. That's a really good amount of flavor. All right. Here's your game day fix, guys. Time to play ball. Y'all have a good day. I'll put the recipe down below in the comments. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any adventures in my kitchen. Bye.